How to remove a connection from LinkedIn without them knowing. To get started, first of all open up the LinkedIn application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the LinkedIn homepage. Here, you can view posts from all your connections and pages that you follow on LinkedIn. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on My Network. Over here, you can view all of your connections as well as your following list on LinkedIn. Tap on Connections as shown. You can view all your connections on LinkedIn over here. If you want to remove any connection from here, then tap on the three dots beside their name. Here, tap on Remove Connection at the bottom. You have now successfully removed this connection from your profile. You can repeat this to remove other connections on LinkedIn as well. Following these steps, you can easily remove a connection from LinkedIn without them knowing. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.